छाया आसमां देखो झूमता गगन है छाया आसमां देखो झूमता गगन
First of all, about you, how you get landed into modeling and acting, as you are in IT field, and कैसे मतलब लगा कि स्केयर्स के लिए मॉडलिंग करना है एंड एक्टिंग पे भी आना है?
Actually, it was my passion to start the career into modeling. But as I did engineering, so and according to my parents, if you are doing engineering, so you have to go to IT and any company because basically I'm from the CS, computer science scale stream. So उनका ड्रीम यही था कि if you are doing engineering, so you have to, that is like mandatory conditional for them, you have to join the company. But yeah, from 12th I can say my dream was into acting, modeling. So when I got little settled, then I convinced my parents like now I'm working according to yourself, like what was your expectation, as I did engineering, so I have to go to IT, and also now I have done and I'm doing good into that, but now I have to complete and I have to fulfill my dream. So I convinced them for the modeling. So then it took around 2-3 months. Then I first convinced my mother, mom, then mom convinced to other family members and all, my father and my sister, elder sister. So that thing has happened like around 2-3 months. It took time, and then everything got settled. Now I'm here.
Okay. Uh, so, from modeling to bold suits, uh, how is it
Mhm.
connected, and how you convince your parents about all this and your family members about all this?
Okay. Basically, I started as a career because I was very new into this field. So I joined one agency also. So there, I took around, I can say just a basic skill. I can say basic skill and basic like improvement, whatever we can say. So that I joined just around 1 month. That was like weekend classes kind of thing. So there I just got little boost up, like how I should progress into this modeling. How, because initially I was like into IT field only, so I was not having that much experience, like how to start in this career, how to be like face to the camera and all. I was aware actually because that was my passion, but still I got some tricks, some tips I can say from the modeling agency, and then slowly I started like giving facial expressions and how to look in front of camera and how to express myself. Then slowly I'm like I started giving bold shoots also. Recently I did some bold shoots and all.
Okay, you are from Bhopal, and Bhopal is
Yeah.
also a good place to start modeling. Then, why so late to follow your passion?
Because actually I just wanted to focus on one thing at a time. When I completed my engineering, so I just wanted to do job. So then, because actually I thought that will be very easy for to convince my parents, because they will be satisfied, like according to them I'm like well settled into my IT company and I'm working, so then that was actually, I thought, that is my personal opinion, that should be easy if I can convince them, because I did according to them. Now they should give chance to like do and complete my dreams also. So
अ, अगर मैं बोलूं कि आपको अगर मौका मिलता है कुछ वेब सीरीज करने का, तो
Yeah.
कैसी कहानियां आपको पसंद आती हैं?
It is like I like thriller also. I like drama also. So drama and thriller kind of thing and suspense. Basically, it's kind of thriller only. So that kind of script I like basically.
Okay, and upcoming work, your upcoming work,
Upcoming work, upcoming work actually. Sorry,
no issue.
upcoming work is there actually. Still in progress. So let's
Uh,
see when
I
it will
heard
be
you are
like.
also doing a series with Pod.
Yeah,
Uh,
I'm doing. Yeah.
yeah. So can you tell me something about that series? Some one liner.
Yeah, that is actually, yeah, when I heard the series and like script, so it was very good actually. According to myself, the character was there and it was very good actually. So I liked it and I told, yeah, I'm happy with it and I can do it. So that was little bold as I came to know by the script, but yeah, I'm okay with that. And I have told same thing to my parents, to my family also, because I have to settle them also, like their mindset. Now immediately I cannot say like I'm just going for this web series and all, and this will be like kind of bold. So I mentally, like I can say, I convinced them also for the series. So yeah, the plan is like maybe very soon I will be starting that with the phone.
Okay, and
And I like that script. Yeah.
what kind of series it and can you tell some one liner about the story?
Basically, the story is
I
like
know
it
I am
is.
the director of that series, but I want to hear the one liner from your side.
Yeah, basically the series is like focus on one girl, and it is like for the village kind of like location will be there, and that girl will be from the village theme. But she was like newly married, and what she want, she didn't get. What's her expectations and all. So it's kind of that kind of series basically, and full focus entirely on that girl in that particular series. So many characters come and go, but the main focus will be on that particular girl. I cannot say the name here, but
The
yeah.
struggle of that girl. Yeah,
Yeah.
that's cool. And
So I
okay,
liked it because I want to come into limelight, and that's the reason I like that script.
okay. You love limelight.
Yeah,
Okay, that sounds
I
good.
want. I like to get the attention of all the. So that's the reason I like that script.
Okay, okay. Uh, what about politics?
I have not much interest in politics,
You are
basically.
not much interested in politics. Okay.
Yeah.
What about CA and NRC?
I literally have this politics and all now. I literally I don't have so much interest into that. Like,
Okay, but it's all about your country. The rule,
yeah,
the rule is like CA and RC is coming,
yeah.
applied all over the country. What's your
Hmm.
reaction on that?
Um, my reaction is like, yeah, they are doing their best and they are deciding the rule which will be best for all the Indians, for all the citizens, basically. So,
Okay,
so
let
yeah,
it be.
they're
Let
cool.
it be.
Yeah.
What's the secret behind your fitness?
It's like aerobics. Sometimes I do Zumba. Sometimes I used to like do hip hop dance also. I joined the dance also. So I do hip hop also, Bolly hop, Zumba, and because of this lockdown and all, so I'm like doing every workout at home only, like yoga, power yoga, and it is like weekly. I have divided my days. Like someday I'm doing Zumba, someday I'm doing yoga, and some days are aerobics, and basically diet. So
Okay, I
not
heard you
that
are a
crunch
good
diet,
dancer
but
also.
yeah, balanced diet.
I heard you are a
Yeah,
good dancer
I
also.
am. I can say
Yeah, Joy, you
yes,
can.
yes. I can say I am.
Okay, you are a good dancer. You are accepting that. But when we will
Yeah,
conduct some meeting in our studio, then we will surely like you to perform. Okay.
sure,
Uh,
sure. I will. Yeah.
okay. Are you single right now or dating someone?
That is like personal question, basically.
But just ask for your audience.
Yeah, yeah, that is actually personal question, but yeah, I'm single, I can say.
Okay, you are single. You can say. Okay, that's cool.
Yeah.
Okay. Coming to our next round, it is like something type rapid fire.
Okay.
You are a bit aware of all this answers.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. Uh, if you could buy any type of food, what would you buy?
Any type of
Food.
food. Okay. I'll buy fruits.
Okay, you love fruits.
I love oranges, basically. And I'm not getting the oranges in this season.
Okay.
So
Uh,
I love oranges. So I'll buy that only.
what color is your toothbrush?
It's a purple.
It's purple. Okay, cool. Uh, if you could be any animal,
Mhm.
what would it be and why?
Fish, fish.
Why?
Because I love fish. I love to fly in the water.
Okay, they swim. Actually, they swim, not fly.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Sorry, it's a kind of swim. They used to like swim, but I love to be like I can say butterfly also
Okay, you
because
are
I have the
vegetarian or
tattoo that is
non-vegetarian?
butterfly.
Okay,
I'm pure vegetarian.
you
I
are,
have the
you,
butterfly tattoo
what
because
a
I'm
coincidence.
fan
I'm
of this
also vegetarian.
butterfly.
Okay, it's nice.
Okay, yeah.
Okay, you are a vegetarian from your childhood days, or
No, 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 no. Since 3 to 4 years, I became pure vegetarian.
what makes
No
you
egg also. Yeah,
what makes you get converted into
I
vegetarian?
can say some religious like priest and all. So I started following someone. So I became like
Okay,
pure veg.
you are spiritual also.
Yeah, because as a Rajput.
Okay,
Yeah,
as a Rajput, you are spiritual.
because as a Rajput. Yeah, because as a Rajput from the childhood, I used to have so much non-veg and all. But yeah, since 2, 3 years, I just left. And I got like, I can say I was bored actually because I had so much. So I wanted to
Uh,
become pure veg. So
you are missing the taste of that fish curry,
no,
or
nothing. I don't like fish also. I just had chicken and all.
you
So
just said you love fish.
fish is like just to see, not to eat.
Okay. uh, uh, tell me something about your bucket list.
In what sense, like?
Your bucket list for upcoming years, or what is the
Okay.
one thing you would put on your bucket list?
First is like music album and all. I'm focusing on that. My primary focus on music videos. So maybe in upcoming months that will also happen because that is like we're in touch with some production houses and all. So that is the main, I can say, priority one for me. Then second is like web series, and other is like I'm doing the fashion modeling also. So fashion
First,
shoot also here. That
what is
is
the first
not in the
one?
bucket list.
What is the first one?
That is videos,
Okay,
music videos.
music videos. Okay, sounds
My
single.
yeah, music videos. Yeah, yeah,
Okay, who is your favorite superhero?
and fashion modeling.
Okay, fashion modeling.
Kartik Aryan.
Superhero. I asked about superhero.
Okay. Oh,
And why?
oh, superhero. Actor is like Kartik Aryan only.
Yeah, you are from Bhopal and he is from
Superhero is my
Gwalior,
dad.
so of course.
No, his acting is also very nice, and his movie like Luka Chupi and all I've seen twice and thrice.
Okay. What is your reaction about Sushant Singh Rajput?
It was like very heartbroken, I can say, when I heard the news, and literally it was very shocking. Still, the thing is going on. We have the team and CBI and all. They have not reached to the conclusion, but it was very sad news for
And
all the
politics is also going
like
on.
fans.
I think politics is also going
Yeah,
on.
politics is also going on. So many things are going on that case,
It
basically.
hurts.
But yeah,
It hurts.
it hurts.
Actually hurts.
It hurts. Because
And
still today I was watching Kedarnath movie and I was just feeling that he's no more. I was feeling very sad. So
actually,
whenever I see any movie,
हाँ अभी भी मैं जब मूवी
any movie
देखता हूँ
of
तो
this
मुझे ऐसा लगता है
Sushant
कि
Singh,
ऐसा कुछ हुआ ही नहीं है.
हाँ right, ऐसा
मतलब
होता
ऐसा
है वो.
कुछ हुआ ही नहीं है. It is
But
like
when I
कि
come to know कि नहीं अभी उसकी कोई मूवी नहीं आने वाली है.
हाँ
Yeah.
अभी सुबह हमने सुना हमारा ब्लैक पैंथर भी हमें छोड़ के चला गया.
Mm-hmm.
तो अभी मतलब
Yeah, it
2020
hurts.
ऐसा एकदम सदमे जैसा हो गया हमारे लिए.
Yeah, so many people have gone actually. They were very good
इरफान खान,
actors and
ऋषि
all in
सर,
the. Yes, yes.
many
They
more.
were really very good.
Okay.
Yeah.
Who do you admire the most? Oh, sorry, I wasn't last
Admire.
question. Who's your
Okay.
favorite superhero?
Superhero.
Yeah, and why?
My dad. My
Okay.
dad only.
Okay. And why?
Superhero is because actually he is like inspiration, I can say. Because whenever I see him, I get inspired in because he's very positive, I can say. Whenever I talk to him, he never this मतलब
Uh,
ऐसा लगता ही नहीं है कभी कि कुछ मतलब कुछ भी
your voice
नेगेटिव
is
हुआ है.
not
Yeah.
audible right now.
Hello. Is it audible now? Hello.
Yeah, cool.
Okay. Actually
Please
मेरे
adjust your
डैड ही
phone,
मेरी
no issue.
इंस्पिरेशन है. Okay. Okay. Actually, my dad is only my superhero, I can say, because whenever I meet him, whenever I see him, और मैं उनसे जब बात करती हूँ, तो मुझे एक इंस्पिरेशन मिलता है, ट्रू इंस्पिरेशन, बिकॉज वो इतना इजीली बोलते हैं, कुछ भी टफ थिंग भी हो, बहुत डिफिकल्टीज भी आ जाए, बट ही जस्ट से इन पॉजिटिव वे एवरीथिंग विल गो अवे, इट जस्ट अ फेस, इट जस्ट अ टाइम होता है वो. तो मतलब इतना ही वर्ड उनका दैट इज वेरी पावरफुल, वो जैसे इंस्पायर्ड करते हैं. सो दैट इज द रीजन ही इज लाइक माय ट्रू इंस्पिरेशन एंड माय सुपर हीरो, माय डैड.
Okay. I forgot to tell you, you are looking so pretty.
थैंक यू.
Okay. Whom do you admire the most?
Admire. I admire actually Urvashi Rautela.
Okay, you admire Urvashi Rautela.
Urvashi Rautela, yeah.
Uh,
Because actually I'm the fan of her basically. Because how the way she is like doing. She has not done much movies
your
and all,
screen
but
is
yeah.
like too near to you. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, cool.
Actually, I admire Urvashi Rautela only because she has not done much movie, but whatever she has done and whatever she's performing, she's like giving 100% to that work. So she's my most inspiration as term of Bollywood, or I can say in the fashion modeling industry.
Okay. Should I have eliminate the next question? Favorite actress?
Yeah, Urvashi only. See,
Okay.
earlier it was
And
like Kareena Kapoor, but I don't like now.
okay, from the last statement.
I cannot say I don't like her, but yeah, now I can say Urvashi is like more like
Being an
what
outsider,
I say.
you lose the respect.
No, no, no.
Then what?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. At what age do you want to retire?
When I feel I'm like settled. completely. Whatever my expectation will come to true, then I will feel I'm retired.
Okay, you are
Whatever
retired.
is my dream,
Uh,
that comes true.
you said some
And that
age.
will never come true.
You said some age.
Mm, as in, if we talk about in this industry, so that is like maximum is like 45 maximum. So yeah,
But I don't think, मतलब अभी भी
into
बहुत
fashion modeling, yeah, people are there actually, but yeah, um I'm feeling like
and I think
45 is
will look gorgeous at the age of 60 also.
okay. Thanks.
So I don't
Maybe.
think you should retire at the age of 60 also.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
First
Okay.
celebrity crush,
Shah Rukh.
Shah Rukh. And
Yeah.
now,
Kartik Aaryan.
okay, from Hollywood,
Tom Cruise.
Tom Cruise. Sounds good. Is it wrong for
Yeah.
a vegetarian to eat animal crackers?
No.
No. Okay. Uh, do you believe in fate?
Fail.
Fate.
Fake.
Naseeb.
Okay. No.
Nasheed.
Naseeb.
Yeah, Naseeb.
Yeah. Yeah. But that is like equally equivalent to work also. Like,
Okay. So you believe in luck.
yeah, I do believe in luck also. Yeah.
Okay. What's your name is Dia. Is it spelled
Yeah.
as DIYA or DIA?
It is DIYA. Dia.
But I think your username is DIA at Instagram.
Yeah.
Why
Yeah.
so?
I've changed it actually to little, like 3 letters.
Okay, 3 letters. Some
Just
numerology
simply I
or one?
changed it.
Some
Yeah,
numerology
it
or
was
what?
like I thought 4 words is like very,
Uh,
yeah, kind of that. So I came to like 3 words, 3 letter words.
uh, according to you, what's the best age? Did you get paused?
Best age in what? For what?
According to you, best age to live a life, like in between 14 to 28 or like that.
After like 14 only, 15, 16. That is like full enjoy, like there is no much tension and all. You don't see
But I
anything,
don't think
no
you
burden.
have that much of energy.
So the teenage, I can say teenage. Yeah.
But after 40, 60, there is not
टीनेज
that.
वाली एज अच्छी होती
कौन सी कौन सी एज?
टीनेज एज इज वेरी गुड एक्चुअली
Okay, teenage.
टीनेज एज लाइक 16 या
Okay. Cake or pie?
केक
Godfather or Star Wars?
शावर
Star Wars. MS Dhoni or Yuvraj Singh?
एम एस धोनी
MS Dhoni. Okay, Virat Kohli or Sachin
Yeah.
Tendulkar?
विराट कोहली माय
Okay.
फेवरेट
Okay. R. Ashwin or Harbhajan Singh?
हरभजन सिंह या
Messi or Ronaldo?
रोनाल्डो
Bollywood or Hollywood?
हॉलीवुड
Okay. Paper or plastic?
पेपर
Big dogs or small dogs?
स्मॉल डॉग्स
Okay. Uh, last type question.
ओके
Tapas or pasta?
पास्ता
Pasta. Name a word that starts with letter Q.
Letter
Q.
U.
Q.
Q.
Come on.
Mm.
It's rapid fire.
Q. Not getting.
Queen.
Queen. Oh, that is not the word. That is not the place itself.
Have you ever seen a kangaroo in person?
चाइल्डहुड में देखा होगा कभी जू में.
Okay. How long can you hold your breath for?
Yeah.
How long you can hold your breath for?
5 second, 10 second.
10 seconds.
Because swimming की तो उसमें underwater करना होता है ना.
Okay.
So we have to hold the breath.
Did you go to sleepaway summer camp as a kid?
Yeah.
Okay. What's your favorite carnival food?
Actually ऐसा कुछ नहीं पसंद है मुझे. I don't know.
Okay. Name two friends whom you can blindly trust.
I can trust myself only. Me and my mom.
Okay. I'm also your friend. You can trust me.
Yeah, blindly trust my
Okay.
mom and myself.
That's it. You're done. Okay. 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 This hurts me. Actually.
Yeah.
Spider-Man or Superman?
Spider-Man.
Any message for your parents?
Message for my parents. Actually, I really feel like I'm the most luckiest girl because people are like, because I'm basically from Bhopal, and people still they don't think like modeling or this acting is a good field, but still my parents are allowing me. So I'm really very thankful for them. Like उन्होंने मुझे allow किया मेरा dream पूरा करने के लिए after so much convince मुझे करना पड़ा, but still they are okay with it, and they keep on asking about my update भी लेते हैं कि how the work is going on and all. So I think I'm the luckiest to have them as my
Okay,
parents.
you are the cover girl for August Steers magazine. Now
Yeah.
rapid fire is over. Your hamper will be
Yeah.
gifted to you on when you will come to shoot. Okay.
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 And
I can see here or not.
you can't see here. You will be
Oh,
gifted when you
virtual
come.
I can see actually what hamper I'm getting.
There is wrapper on. So
Oh,
okay. You are the cover girl of Steers magazine, August edition. What's
yeah.
your vision? What's your reaction on that?
Actually, I'm really happy and for this cover girl because this is like my I can say this is my first magazine will be there, and to boost up my career this will be very good for me and for my career also. And maybe soon I will be starting some web series with Ford and all, so that will be really very helpful for me and for like audience also, so they can able to see like I'm already in the cover page and with the magazine, so it will be very easy for them to identify the face because I will be very new for the series and all. So I think it will be very good for me and for the team also.
डू नेपोटिज्म क्या हावी है टैलेंट के ऊपर अकॉर्डिंग टू यू?
No, never. It cannot.
बट
It
आई
should not
थिंक
actually.
बॉलीवुड में
It should
मुझे
not basic. होता
बॉलीवुड
है
में
वो
है
होता
बट
है.
आई थिंक
Yes, होता है वो होता है, but it should not. But we cannot control anything. But yeah, it should not. अगर होता है तो I'm not agreeing it कि should.
एज you do you love adventure?
Yeah, I love adventure. Yeah.
What is your favorite sports?
एक्चुअली मुझे एडवेंचर में लाइक अभी मेरा पैराग्लाइडिंग एंड पैरासेलिंग दिस आर ऑल लेफ्ट, मतलब वो सब मेरा प्लान था बट दिस एंटायरली दिस लॉकडाउन एंड एवरीथिंग, सो वो मेरा एक है एडवेंचर प्लान. एंड रिवर राफ्टिंग आल्सो आई लव, so water sports also I love literally, but actually I'm like I can say I'm scared of water, but still I love water sports. So water sports, paragliding, these all are my I can say it's my, yeah, I wanted to do these things.
Okay, who is the actor who inspired you? लाइक आप उनके जैसे एक्टिंग करना चाहते हो या उनके जैसे किसी कैरेक्टर को, मतलब किसी फिल्म के किसी कैरेक्टर को आप लाइफ में परफॉर्म करना चाहते हो?
I wanted to say like Sushant Singh only, because he started his career from like a serial and then he struggled a lot and then he
I think he started his
came to
career
the
from
movie
theater.
Pavitra Rishta, that serial I used to watch.
Okay,
Like पवित्र रिश्ता आता था, sometime I used to watch, मतलब घर पे चलता रहता था, so I was kid actually, but yeah, he struggled a lot.
okay, you love Ankita
So
Lokhande
then
or Sushant Singh Rajput?
Sushant Singh Rajput only.
Okay, but Sushant started his career from theater.
Yeah, theater, yeah, he worked very hard, then he came to the serial and all. So
Okay, what was your reaction when Dhoni announces his retirement?
it was really very sad because people are retiring very soon actually, like Dhoni, and then again people started like, so yeah, at least after 2 3 years he should.
Okay,
At
if you
least.
are in the place of Dhoni, what
Hmm.
you will do?
At least I will try, because he was like best cricketer I can say, Dhoni. So if
Okay,
he's
Virat
giving
Kohli
his
or MS
team,
Dhoni?
Virat Kohli is like on the topmost right priority, and
Okay,
he's like the best. But yeah, Dhoni is also
okay, मतलब दोनों में से एक लेना है आपको.
Virat Kohli then. Yeah,
Okay, who is the best captain?
Virat Kohli only.
But ICC, all three tournament is like won by MS Dhoni.
Yeah, but actually I feel Virat Kohli will be best actually.
In
It is
what?
not like I like him, I'm fan
Okay,
of
you
him, it
like
is
him,
not
that's why
like
he's the
that, but yeah.
best.
No, but he actually his leadership qualities, whatever I've seen in the match,
You
so
have a
it's good
crush on him
actually.
or what?
Not, yeah, kind of I can say, because I used to go to see IPL, so we were just starting shouting Kohli and all.
Okay. Okay. Any message for audience and your fan following, like who followed you on Instagram and who loves you, and for Stairs audience?
Yeah, I'm really very thankful like for their support, like the Insta audience, they are supporting me and they are liking my like videos, whatever I'm shooting. So they are like happy to see and they are waiting for my next shoot, like when the next pics are about to come and all. So yeah, I'm really very thankful for the support, whatever I got till now. And yeah, for the steers also, like I wish I'll get so much support from them also.
Okay, this episode is get will be cast on pod as an
Okay,
episode for Rubaru with Nikshay. It's a season. Okay.
okay,
What will be the
yeah.
message for the audience of Rubaru with Nikshay?
Keep rock.
I think keep supporting.
Yeah, keep supporting, keep rocking.
Tell your audience also keep to support pod originals that we can make good series and
Yeah, my audience, like they are waiting for me. Like whenever I go live with in Insta or in another app, I have launched one more app actually for my fans. So whenever I go live, so they used to ask which web series you are coming. We
Okay.
wanted to see you on the series and all. So their question, whenever I go, first question is same, this one only. So I just tell them, yeah, very soon I'm coming. So
Okay. What is the name of that app you launched?
actual fans,
Actual Fans.
yeah.
And what we can watch there?
There are some like I can say some shoot pics which I cannot post sensitive content. I can say not that much sensitive, but yeah, which I cannot post in Insta. But yeah, for the fans, I can post exclusive
I'm
pics
also
on
your
the
fan.
app. Yeah, so you have to buy the membership.
Okay, I have to buy the membership.
Yeah, their membership is there,
Give
and I
give me
used to
some
interact
discount.
with them.
Actually, give me some discount now.
80% discount is going on my membership.
Okay.
Already going on because
See
recently we launched it.
how good friend I am. I'm promoting your app also.
Yeah. Yeah, right. Seriously, you'll be like, I can do blind trust and
Okay. Okay. Make a proper announcement of your app so that we can make a teaser for that.
okay, that app name is Actual Fans, and that link will be in my profile, Insta profile bio. And that basically in that app, I have put some pictures from the shoot, which I cannot post. Maybe some exclusive pic because we cannot post all the pictures of the shoot in the Instagram. So for the fans exclusive pic, I posted in that app also, and some videos which I have made because every time the video cannot be posted on Insta. And one more thing is like interaction because we don't get the time to see the Insta DMs and all. So there, whenever anybody will wants to come and wants to talk live, one-on-one live. So yeah, we get the request from the app directly, and we have to go to live and we talk with
Is it
the
available
like
at Google
fans.
Play Store?
No, it is not. It is not yet.
Okay, and for iOS?
It is like in progress, so it will come in iOS and like
Okay, being
Play
a
Store also.
fan, I
Yeah.
am waiting.
Yeah.
So
Okay.
launch it soon.
Yeah. Sure. That link
Okay,
you can use by the time.
okay. What kind of single you are waiting for? Songs you are waiting for?
I have some song actually. Marathi songs are there actually, and some Punjabi songs are there. So I'm waiting for them. So and one ad also is waiting actually. That will maybe that can plan in September end. So
Uh,
that is ad shoot.
what about do you like do item number in a movie?
Yeah, I do.
You will do. Okay,
Yeah,
sounds
I
cool.
can. I don't have any issue.
Okay. Finally, we are merging this whole scenario, and thank you. It's really nice talking to you and
Yeah.
for Rubar with Nikshay. And soon, people will also see you on Pod Originals, Haria Lives Matter, as an lead,
Sure.
and your
Yeah.
character is surely going to be loved by everyone. Like Iravati is like, मतलब
Yeah.
अपनों की रानी हो जाएगी मुझे पता
Irani
है
ho
and
jayegi. Yeah, right.
hope for the best.
Yes,
Thank you.
sure. Thank you. Thank you so much.